Hey guys, welcome back. It's James. I'm back for another video, which is a rant. Don't know why I keep posting rants most often, but once again, better quality most likely because I just posted the video with headphones with the microphone, which won't be very long to have them. So I'm making sure I'm getting the most out of it. So because I'm using my dad's. So yeah, so let's get right to the rant. And you might be wondering, what are you ranting about? Well, here's what I'm ranting about. I'm ranting about like how people are why are people still reacting? I planned to have this video a lot earlier, but there's still some people still saying like, "Oh, I hate Trump. I'm going to move to Canada." But they haven't done it in like a month still. And they still say like, "Oh, I'm gonna move to Canada." They still say that, but they have not moved to Canada once. They actually haven't. And once again, I'm not a major Trump supporter or Hillary supporter. As you know, I am a kid, so even people at school are like being super bothered. Like, I get it if you think like World War III is gonna start and your brother's in the army, and then you're like, and then everybody's just like saying like, "Oh my God, Trump is gonna kill my brother because he's gonna like call King Jong Un fat or something, or like I don't know, um uh I honestly do not know what you can call. I guess you could call the Mexican leader, I don't know, El Chapo or something. I don't know. I guess that's a compliment or something. Not sure. I don't know. But I honestly do not know why. Why everybody is just like all sincere and like cautious. Like I don't know if people are still ranting in the streets because I planned to have this video a lot earlier, like I said, but never really happened. And I planned to do it yesterday, but my nose was acting up of allergies. Don't know why. And today it was raining, so I couldn't do another vlog or something like that. But yeah. And apparently my sister wants to join in the video. I'm not sure. And she's saying yes, I guess. Well, actually rhymes.
Say yes, I guess.
Putting the disco ball underwater and still have a cough. If you're wearing headphones, put the volume. I probably should warn you. You know what? I'm just gonna warn you in the editing. I'm not sure if I'm going to. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. But still, some people are still reacting, saying like, "Oh, I'm gonna still move to Canada." They haven't moved once. I guess for Thanksgiving, some people moved to Canada. I'm not sure, to be honest. Like, I'm so thankful I moved away from America. I do not know if that's what happened. Do not know if it was like a retreat or something like most other things do. Like, oh, I'm doing the high school retreat or something. I don't know. I honestly thought World War V would be started by Jacob Sartorius and Maddie B calling each other like fat, and then just doing a diss track from King Jong Un or something, or King Jong Un. I'm not sure.
Really, Dan?
And my sister is just saying really, but I'm actually being honest. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen, but some people predict like it's gonna be World War III, the start of the actual purge. Um, and slavery is coming back from the dead, of which I honestly think is not going to be happening. And just basically, just like the the election rant, these people's reactions are just completely terrible. Not like terrible as in like cancer, like or Ebola, but like terrible meaning like killing people, like it was like Iraq or something. I'm not sure, but still, it's just completely insane. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. It's just like that. The people's reactions to the election rant. My sister just got a cat in her Pixel Gun game, which I think she's gonna actually join me. Not sure, but yeah. I was playing for this video a long time ago, but it never really happened. Not sure why. I don't know why I keep repeating that because I said that like another time before, but who knows? Some people say like Homefront is gonna like be real with King Jong-un's gonna send like every like American to like a labor camp or something, and then like and I don't know, it's just completely weird and insane about these people's reactions. They're literally trying to murder some people that are out on the streets saying like supporting Trump or supporting Hillary or something. It's just completely insane. But yeah, if you wondering what I'm actually talking about, check out my other video. It was like people's reactions to the election rant. That's why I called it, and I don't know why still they're reacting like this. It's just completely insane. So this is what 2016 looks like, basically. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what the 2016. Some people, I'm saying, like I know some people are like smart and they actually know what they're doing. And some other things. Okay, so some people think that Trump will cause the purge. Some people think that Trump will cause I don't know, slavery from the dead. Some people think about that. Some people think that World War III will start because he might call King Jong-un fat or something. I don't know. So yeah, some people think it's Homefront. Yeah, this is what the 2016 looks like. But seriously, some people know what they're doing. Some people, they honestly do not know what in the world they're doing. I guess like Gary Johnson, for example. I'm not sure. But I'm not going to go into the politics, but
The media.
yeah, and I'm not sure if you heard, but Trump just went all out on the media like someday. I forgot which day it was, but calling them liars and some stuff. And some stuff like, but they said especially CNN. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it because this is like the shortest rant I've ever done on this channel so far. I'm not sure, like I might have like some Maddie B thing or I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like and subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys next time.